Karulo eluku mita kwa taka nyangu na kaisa kanyaralu yare. Nyezda bulo kolare president lo Uganda Idi Amin. Obuiki na Ikaramoja alona paka angapiti Igoen kwa luche itunga. Ipolo koludo Ikaramoja kizda mapoti yala mikinos. Anoda akira anom ida poti chora kisi. Atumuna ke idea anoda itepegita umishoiti na angapiti Igoen.
Ana bebu ni ariangea.
Even when the Uganda army came in, did not want to kill them, did not have the intention of killing. You are rounded all round the same thing. Talk to them. During their last moment now at around towards 5-6. Maybe that time, maybe then the government say, we are tired. But then when that of course failed, then they started shooting at them. They shot men of them.
Amin, tornapang lawi.
Eh.
Tama na yung kadugo. Ongerong lawi.
Eh.
Puan na do jawa petang ngajuri. Tacamutong lawi. Puan na I aruma pen lo ketelo. Ndo lengi lai to manang yari. Rula tuane.
Then death came.
Ama.
Then for him, he survived by running outside, ran the other side, left the group.
Lune.
These others died, were shot. Others were taken to the vehicle. This one who was seeing here were shot here and they were buried here. Before that, men were walking naked. But women had the aprons, front and back. But the chests were open. And the girls had a small apron, then the woman had a bigger one, made out of skin up to down here, then plus a long one down. But the upper part was open. And then here, the married woman had the bangles.
Idone nyezde pero toritunga luda eomita ebe de parite namba kechakwatat ludo buajoro yara osodi de daikin tomana panya dope ochalo ngonloka na woikorot otem ngolorie to district alona park.
Met about 150 people buried here and buried the other side. And they were buried in the bulldozer. When we were here, the bulldozer came on Saturday. We got our schoolboys here. They saw us in uniform. Then we ran away. And when the bulldozer was doing its work, soldiers surrounding this place, we also went back.
The people who have died there, they died as heroes of culture, according to us. They defended the culture.
Ido itunga nepeke ngarenone lodo napakam kizde koto sebo duko kinai elibo loda itunga kalum anude itununa ngono loda pote twakata anuda minanade inono kech.
What we are advocating is that we want our elders to help us so that maybe they will build this place. They put it a tourist attraction whereby even as children of this place. Even when they say the tourists are coming, this way we shall also survive. Then we also tell the stories. Tomorrow I will also tell my children.
And where possible, get the list of the names of those who may have died here. Put them a kind of a sheet, a kind of a box, a block. Write their names. A few of those that you can remember.
As council, as a district, we are trying to engage the Ministry of Tourism, if they can be able to put a monument there. We have earmarked about 15 million to start the monument as we wait for Ministry of Tourism to help us. But however, we are also asking government that since these people died because of culture, that they should be able to compensate them.
Godfred Eyokum, TV East, Napak.